Let me be completely honest with you. Most of what the fitness world tells people over 60 about building strength is either wrong, outdated, or designed to sell you something. The truth is, getting stronger after 60 is not only possible, it is one of the most important things you can do for your health, your independence, and your quality of life. But there are specific strategies, secrets, really, that most trainers never mention, most doctors never prescribe, and most seniors never discover. Until today. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 5 strength secrets that have been tested, validated by research, and used by real people in their 60s and 70s to feel stronger, move better, and live with the kind of energy most people half their age would envy. No equipment, no gym, no gimmicks. Stay with me. Secret number 3 especially is something almost nobody talks about, and it might be the most powerful thing on this entire list. Now, before we get into the secrets, I want to quickly tell you why this matters so much. After 60, the body goes through something called sarcopenia, the progressive loss of muscle mass. Research shows that without the right intervention, adults can lose between 3 and 5% of their muscle every decade after 30, and that rate accelerates sharply after 60. But here is the part that often gets left out. Strength training is one of the only proven ways to reverse this process, not slow it down. Reverse it. Studies from Harvard, the Mayo Clinic, and the National Institute on Aging all confirm the same thing. Adults who engage in targeted resistance activity in their 60s and beyond show measurable gains in muscle, bone density, and metabolic function. The problem is, most people are not doing the right things. They're doing the things that feel productive but don't actually build functional strength. These 5 secrets fix that. Let's go. Secret number 1 sounds completely counterintuitive. The secret is slow down. Most people, when they try to build strength, move as quickly as they can. Faster reps, more momentum, more motion. But that approach actually robs you of almost all the benefit. The science behind this is called time under tension. Your muscles grow and strengthen not when you lift something, but when they are under sustained load for long enough to trigger adaptation. When you rush through a movement, your muscles are only engaged for a fraction of a second. When you slow down, especially on the lowering phase, your muscles are working continuously, and that is where the real strength comes from. How to do it? For any exercise, a squat, a push-up, a calf raise take 4 full seconds on the way down. 1 second pause at the bottom. 2 seconds on the way up. That is 1 rep. It will feel harder than anything you have done. That is the point. Try this with your next sit to stand. Count 4 seconds as you lower to the chair. You will feel muscles you forgot existed. Slow is strong. Slow is smart. And for protecting your joints while building real muscle, slow is the only way to go. Secret number 2 is not an exercise. And that might surprise you, but it is absolutely critical if you want your workouts to actually produce results. Here it is. When you eat, your protein matters just as much as how much protein you eat. Most people over 60 eat the bulk of their protein at dinner. Big piece of chicken, maybe some fish. But by that point, your muscles have been waiting all day for the building blocks they need to recover and grow. Research from Maastricht University found that consuming 25 to 40 grams of protein within 30 minutes after exercise dramatically improves muscle protein synthesis in older adults, far more than eating the same protein hours later. Your muscles have a window right after exercise where they are primed to absorb nutrients and rebuild. Miss that window, and you miss a significant portion of the benefit from your workout. How to do it? Within 30 minutes after any workout, eat a protein-rich snack or meal. Great options: 2 scrambled eggs, a cup of Greek yogurt, a glass of milk with peanut butter, or a simple protein shake. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of protein in that window. This single change just changing when you eat, not how much can significantly accelerate the results of every workout you do. Start today. I told you secret number 3 would shock you. Here it is. Grip strength is one of the single most powerful predictors of longevity ever measured. Not cardiovascular fitness, not weight, not cholesterol. Grip strength. A landmark study published in the Lancet, one of the most respected medical journals in the world, tracked over 140,000 adults across 17 countries and found that lower grip strength was more strongly associated with early death than high blood pressure. Think about that for a second. Your grip tells researchers more about how long you are likely to live than your blood pressure does. Why? Because grip strength is a proxy for overall muscle quality, neural efficiency, and systemic health. A strong grip means strong muscles throughout your entire body. And virtually nobody in the senior fitness space is talking about this. Almost no routines include grip work. That is a massive missed opportunity. How to do it? Towel wringing. Take a dry towel, hold one end in each hand and twist in opposite directions as hard as you can for 20 seconds. Rest. Repeat 5 times. Dead hangs. If accessible, hang from a pull-up bar for 10 to 30 seconds. This builds grip and decompresses the spine simultaneously. Farmer's carry. Pick up 2 grocery bags or any weighted objects and walk with them for 30 seconds, arms straight, standing tall. Squeeze holds. Use a stress ball or a folded towel, and squeeze hard for 5 seconds on, 3 seconds off. Do 10 rounds. Add grip training twice a week. It takes less than 5 minutes, and the research suggests it may add years to your life. Secret 3. Most people have never done it. Now you will. Secret number 4 is one that a lot of people need to hear, because so many seniors feel guilty about resting. Here it is. Your muscles do not get stronger during your workout. They get stronger after it during rest and recovery. When you train, you are creating tiny micro tears in your muscle fibers. That sounds alarming, but it is completely normal and necessary. During sleep and rest, your body repairs those tears and builds the muscle back slightly stronger than before. If you do not rest enough, that repair process never completes. You get weaker, not stronger. You feel more tired, not more energized, and your risk of injury goes up significantly. How to do it? Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep. This is non-negotiable. On rest days, do gentle movement, a 20-minute walk, light stretching, or slow yoga. Keep blood flowing without adding stress. Hydrate. Muscles are 75% water. Dehydration directly impairs recovery and strength output. More rest does not mean less progress. For people over 60, more rest often means more progress. Work with your biology, not against it. Secret number 5 is the one that ties everything together, and it takes exactly 2 minutes. It is called muscle activation, and skipping it is one of the top reasons seniors get injured or fail to see strength gains even when they are doing everything else right. Here is what happens without activation. You go from sitting or lying still where your muscles are cold, stiff, and neurologically asleep, straight into a challenging movement. The muscles that are supposed to fire and protect your joints do not fire on time. Something strains, something aches, progress stalls. A 2-minute activation routine wakes up the exact muscles you are about to train, improves your neural connection to those muscles, and dramatically increases the quality and safety of every rep you perform. How to do it? Hip circles. Stand with feet hip-width apart, hands on hips, and circle your hips slowly 5 in each direction. Shoulder rolls. 10 slow rolls forward, 10 backward. Feel your shoulder blades move. Glute squeezes. Standing tall, squeeze your glutes as hard as you can for 3 seconds. Release. Repeat 10 times. This fires up the most important muscle group in your lower body. Ankle circles. Seated or standing, rotate each ankle 10 times in both directions to prime your balance system. Deep breath hold. Take a deep breath in. Brace your core like someone is about to gently poke your stomach. Hold 3 seconds. Release. Repeat 5 times. This activates your deep core before any movement. 2 minutes. That's all it takes. Do this before every single session, and you will feel the difference from your very first rep. You will be more coordinated, more powerful, and far less likely to feel sore in the wrong places afterward. So there they are, 5 strength secrets that most people in their 60s and beyond have never been told. These are not hacks. They are not trends. They are principles grounded in real science, designed for real bodies, producing real results. Your body is not done. It has not peaked and declined beyond recovery. With the right input, it will respond. It will adapt. It will grow stronger. Because that is what the human body does at any age when you give it the right signals. If this video gave you something useful, one idea you can use today, please hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps more people like you find this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. We publish no-equipment, science-backed fitness content for adults in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond, every single week. Drop a comment below. Which secret surprised you the most? I want to know. I read every comment. Keep moving. Stay strong. I'll see you next week.